When and how would you recommend using the product?
So I recommend using the MetaPWR Recharge when you do exercise over 30 minutes. You sweat a lot, or your producing energy is higher. But also because of the components inside, it can help you, for instance, with your process of dehydration. It can help you because all the sodium and the potassium that inside the MetaPWR Recharge can help you, for instance, when you have a person that is vomiting a lot. So when you start the fluids, you can start slowly with the recharge, and will help you not only the water, but also the minerals that you need.
So anytime that we're losing lots of fluid,
Yeah.
we need to replace it with something like this. Would also mention that we recommend typically as physicians that people are getting 30 plus minutes at least 5 days a week. So that's going to be at least 5 times a week that you're using the product. But in addition to that, there's this thing called NEAT exercise, which is exercise that we do on a fairly frequent basis that we wouldn't consider time to go exercise. Mowing the lawn, right? Working in our garden. Those are times that we're exercising, but we may not consider it like going to the gym. Those might also be times where we're sweating a lot, we're doing a lot of work.
You are doing even if you are doing some, not exercise, but work every day, that you are sweating a little more, you're losing a little water, more than normal, you can in fact use the MetaPWR Recharge because you will take more water and use this product to input more minerals.